I have this new lip freckle. Slowly becoming a part of my identity. It's not going anywhere. Hi, it's Hannah. It's me. I decided I'm gonna vlog today. I have a lot of, I don't even know where to start. I'm kind of trying to start making videos again. It's really hard to, decide what to do with a YouTube channel that was focused on your college experience once you're out of college. Can be kind of confusing. I love making videos because it's fun for me, and I love making videos because I like documenting my life, and I'm terrified that when I get old I'm gonna forget everything that happened when I was young, and I want to have this stuff to look back on. I'm starting to try to make videos again. I feel like I kind of lost my voice with it a bit. I don't know, so I want to take a break from the DSLR camera for a little bit and just kind of do a vlog, which is a lot more intimate and authentic and real, and that's what I really have to offer. I don't have too much else going on in my life right now. I just want to be real with y'all for a minute. So I'm gonna vlog today or this weekend. It depends on how things go. Right now I'm in the parking lot of Planet Fitness and I'm about to go get in for a workout. It's Saturday morning. I'm currently in Buffalo, New York. Fun fact, it's draft day, or the third day of the draft. My boyfriend is a football player. Today's kind of a really big day for him. I've been with him for almost 5 years, so it's a big day for me too. I'm really invested in his success, just like he's invested in mine. So I don't know how much of that I'll include in this vlog. So yeah, I guess we'll see how today goes. I'm kind of really nervous about it. I don't want this to be too long, so I should just go inside and work out, but I'll talk to you guys when I get out.
The only other thing I had done this morning was fold some laundry, so to be all inclusive, here's some footage of that. Back to the gym, love me some good Planet Fitness vibes, and here I'm wondering how jealous everyone is around me that I'm listening to Rockstar by Hannah Montana in my AirPods. I was having a great time.
Workout done. I'm gonna go get me some Starbucks. I just got an iced latte. It's a lot of milk. Oh well.
Then I went home and showered and gymified myself and straightened my hair because the air is so dry in the city of Buffalo that I just can't even try to wear it curly. Anyway, for lunch I had my current obsession, which is a chicken salad, avocado BLT without the lettuce. I love it. And I had a little chickpea salad on the side, which was so good. And then it was time to just kind of sit on the couch and wait and see what happened.
Kind of trying out vlogging today.
Oh, just out of the blue now?
Yeah. Do you have anything you want to say?
Nope, just another day in the life.
Okay.
Watched a bunch of episodes of Castle just to make the time pass in the afternoon. It's kind of our favorite show right now. Well, actually growing up, it was my favorite show. I was like stupid obsessed with it when I was in middle school, and it's kind of like a personal therapy thing, but also like a relationship thing that we're watching it together now. Anyway, eventually the afternoon ended.
We're gonna go get chicken wings.
If I'm being honest, there's not many things that I love about being in Buffalo, New York. However, they do bar food like no one else. Robbie got pizza logs, which are egg rolls stuffed with marinara sauce and mozzarella cheese. They're just as good as they sound. We got way too many fries and way too many chicken wings from Bar Bills. And it was definitely an overly indulgent treat, but it was the perfect meal for the night and exactly what we needed. It was one of those days that could have been a dream. You wanted it to be a dream, but it was cold and rainy and the numbers on the lottery ticket didn't match. Nonetheless, it was a big day. And I'm happy that I was here and that we were together. And that we got to eat our feelings in chicken wings.
You can't help but be optimistic, right? Or at least me, like I'm an optimistic realist. You want to hold out for that like 1 in a million shot, you know? But on a more optimistic note, it is Sunday morning, which means Robbie and I are gonna go bowl. It's $2 bowling on Sunday mornings. We put on sweatpants, which is the outfit of Buffalo, New York. I must say, least fashionable city in America. Sorry. It's true though. I'm gonna go bowl, run some errands, try to have some fun today and keep good vibes going. Yes. And I guess that's all for now.
Thing was full, so now we're in Target,
As one does.
I can confirm that I'm dressed like everyone here. We're still finding good things in this weekend, like going to Target.
Oh yeah, that's just as good. There's people around us.
Don't have Raisinets. They have every candy except for Raisinets. This is Raisinette erasure. I thought I could count on Target.
think we've gotten so desperate, Robbie might buy me dog food. Is that what you're looking for? You know, it's kind of like you and me.
I feel like these are so intriguing, but like they have to have the worst chocolate to peanut butter ratio ever, right?
Like this, let them come. Rise of the Beasts.
That movie was super cute. Then we picked up Robbie's roommates and we went on a super big grocery haul, and then we went out to dinner courtesy of Robbie's parents, which was super nice of them.
I swear, not the best representation of my diet.
For real though, I promise I usually eat very clean. This weekend was just an extreme exception. Anyway, that was like the last eventful thing we really did this weekend. But on Monday, it was a little bit nicer out finally. The sun came out and Robbie took me to the driving range, which I had never been to before. He likes to golf in his free time and I've been with him to Topgolf, but that's about it. And it was actually a lot of fun. I feel like one of the things I struggle with being in Buffalo is like the lack of things to do outdoors, mostly because I've spent only winter months there. So getting to get outside and do something new like this was actually really fun, and it made me a bit more excited to come back in the summer. Oh, and then we went back and had like a really nice dinner with the whole house. I made scallops and there was steak and it was really good vibes.
Well, the Bruins just lost. I'm not a big hockey person, but I am from Boston, so that is sad. Okay, I think I'm going to be done vlogging now because it's the end of the weekend, but it was a good weekend. I don't think it was as amazing as it could have been, but spirits are not low. We're going back to Massachusetts for like 24 hours, and then I'm going to Virginia, and then probably back to Massachusetts for a little bit, and like, I don't know. See where life takes me. Hope you're around to see as well. I'm Hannah. I will catch you later. Bye.